Hello everybody, welcome to the Little Geniuses channel. Today we are going to learn our numbers. Let's do it. Oh no, what happened to our numbers? Can you help me find them? Whoa, look at that super cool train. Do you see number anywhere? Oh, right there, it's the number 1. We have 1 dog. Good job. Wow, look at that super cool Sparkle Smash monster truck. Oh, and another one, it's green Megalodon. Oh, is that a number? It's a number 2. We have 1, 2 cats. Excellent job. Wow, look at that cute turtle. Is there another? There is another turtle. I wonder where a number could be. Oh, wow. The number 3. We have 1, 2, 3 turtles. That's a great job. Bye, turtles. Wow, we have a rectangle. We have a square. And we have a triangle. Is there a number? There is. It's the number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 hippos. Great job. Oh my goodness, it's dinosaurs. But I think they're nice ones. And oh, he's got a number on him. It's the number 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dinosaurs. That's a great job. Whoa, it's a Ninja Turtle. And I think I see, yep, I do, the number 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 iguanas. Excellent job. Oh, look, it's some golf balls. Is there a number anywhere? Oh, we found it. Number 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lions. All right, and what's this? A cool little house. Oh, it's the number 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sharks. That's a great job. Wow, it's a big whale shark. I wonder if maybe there's a number. There is in his mouth, 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elephants. Great job, everybody. It's a measuring tape. How cool is that? It's the number, oh, it is the number 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zebras. Great job. Oh, look at these cool cone-shaped crayons. I wonder if there's a number anywhere. Oh, we found it. It's the number 11. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 gorillas. Wow, such a good job, everybody. Ooh, it's a shark. And he's got the number right there. Number 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kangaroos. Good job, everybody. Wow, it's a 4-wheeler towing a wagon. And I think I see the number 13. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tigers. Wow. Good job. Look at all these different puzzle pieces. I wonder if there are any numbers under here. Oh, wow, look at that. The number 14. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pigs. Excellent work. What do we have next? Oh, it's a cool wooden car. And oh, look at there. The number 15. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ants. Those are so cool. That's a great job, everybody. Oh, wow. We have a bunch of Lincoln logs. Do you see a number anywhere? Oh, wow, look at that. It's the number 16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 fish. Good job. Look at these cool bowling pins. Oh, there goes the blue one. I wonder if there's anything under the red one. Oh, nothing there. Let's check the last one. Whoa, look at that. For number 17, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 birds. Good job, everybody. Look at this cool magnetile cart. I wonder if there's a number. Oh, there it is, number 18. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 frogs. Woo, that's a lot of frogs. Good job, everybody. Oh, look, it's Marshall from the Paw Patrol. He's got 19. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 butterflies. Good job. Whoa, look at this super cool Millennium Falcon, number 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 unicorns. So good. Thank y'all so much for helping me find the numbers. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, little geniuses.